Good morning, guys. I probably should have started this vlog off earlier. I went to Home Goods and Hobby Lobby and I'm gonna do a haul for my main channel. I also got Loxie a bed, which is why you're staring at the kitchen. The kitchen? Is this like a kitchen nook? Or I don't know, what would you guys call this, since I guess this is technically the kitchen, but is this also the kitchen? I don't know, whatever. So I took Loxie outside, blew out her undercoat, which I'm telling you, that tool from Amazon is a lifesaver. So much hair comes off of that dog. It's insane. It just keeps her coat nice and healthy too. So if you need that in your life, it's always linked down below because all of my favorite stuff is linked down below. But anyway, I took apart her kennel and then I took it outside too to just get the excess hair off of it, and I'm gonna move her kennel upstairs. That's where I'm going to keep her kennel in the time being, is in the guest bedroom for now. I don't know. I gotta figure it out. She's such a huge dog that her kennel has to be... I even got her an even extra large kennel just because I want her to be able to stand up in it and be able to turn around. So it's just a huge thing. Anyway, I need to vacuum because there is lots of hair everywhere. You probably can't see. Yeah, there's no way you're gonna be able to see it because of the tile. And the tile looks slightly clean from the camera view, but it's very dirty. this angle before, but we're going with it. I had it tilted this way for when I was just doing the kitchen. Okay, I got some dresses from Forever 21. I want to wear dresses this summer, and I'm gonna force myself. So I wanted to go ahead and get some things. I would have to say that if I had no, I don't even know what my style is. I think mentally, I guess is what I'm saying, because physically I'm always in like this stuff, but it's got to stop. But I would have to say that if I had a style similar to anyone, well, there's a couple of people, like I'm kind of a bunch of different things, but I really love Karen Swanson from KK Baby J. Now there are a lot of things that she wears. It's just, you know, great for her. She's obviously a lot younger than I am, but I still don't think that age matters at all. You dress how you want to dress, and that's it, like, period. I do think there's a time and a place for certain things, but for my own purposes, like even if somebody wanted to wear what they want to wear, like wear what you want to wear. But where am I going with this? I'm basically saying that I really like the look of, you know, like the white Ked shoes, because you guys know, like, those are my favorite shoes out of all of my shoes, and I think wearing them with dresses would be really cute. So anyway, that was a really long explanation. I got this dress. It actually has 3 layers. Isn't that really cute? And the way that it was on the model was just, you know, fitted on the top, and then it just kind of was flowy from the ruffles, and it has daisies on it. I like black, so I was definitely trying to go for something that I thought that I would reach for, something that I could go to the grocery store in or rent a Dollar Tree in, you know, things that I wanted to try to be as realistic to like what I do on a daily routine life basis. And then the last dress is a little yellow sundress. Love yellow. And I really liked its simplicity because it's hard for me to wear patterns sometimes. And ta-da! It's just very flowy, you know, very nice. Definitely looks see-through, so it'd be wearing nude, you know, nude bra, nude underwear kind of thing. And then the tops, you can see the bow tie, really pretty. Again, I could wear sandals, I could wear flip-flops with this, I could wear white tennis shoes with this, and I think it would look really pretty. So, girl, if these outfits on my body does not show up in a vlog, that's it. I don't I don't know what the threat is to myself, but it needs to happen this year. Hey guys, I wanted to pop in really quick. This was probably the end of the vlog, or honestly, I have no idea. Because sometimes I combine clips from like different days and stuff. But I am going for a jog. It's been a minute. And by a minute, I mean it has been months and months. And I just feel like I need to do it, even though I shouldn't. But I'm gonna. So I will accept all the consequences. To my back, to my right knee, to my lungs. Your girl's falling apart, but she's gonna push through.